At Waste Management New Zealand, we care passionately about keeping our communities, our people and our environment clean and safe. But as the country's largest waste management provider, we also like to help our communities look good. In fact, each year, through our Living Earth operations, we produce around 100,000 cubic metres of high-quality compost, making us the country's largest provider of organic waste processing services.
At Living Earth here in Christchurch, we operate the Christchurch City Council Organics Processing Facility. We process food waste and green waste collected by Waste Management from the curbside collection. This is from the residents of Christchurch.
Previously run as a 50-50 joint venture, Living Earth is now wholly owned by Waste Management.
Since 2009, when this facility opened, we've collected over 250,000 tonnes of product. We process this in in-tunnel processing facilities and windrow composting, and we have produced just over 120,000 tonne of compost to sell back out to our rural sector.
Organic waste includes kitchen food scraps and plant material, such as lawn clippings and garden trimmings. As with many other household waste types, Waste Management can provide a beneficial recovery solution.
The product we produce on this site goes out to the rural sector. It's used in farming as an alternative to chemical fertilisers, but compost has a whole lot of other benefits, such as adding organic material to the soil, acting as a soil conditioner.
At our Christchurch facility, we collect 50,000 tonnes of food and green waste in partnership with the council, treating it first in specially controlled purifying tunnels.
These tunnels are fully enclosed. All the air from these tunnels is extracted through a biofilter, so we don't create any odour. All leachate and water from the compost is extracted through the bottom, and we process air through the tunnels to help the composting process operate.
In Auckland, green waste is collected and delivered here to our special facility at Pukatutu Island. It's processed in open air windrows for 3 to 4 months and kept at a constant temperature of over 55 degrees Celsius to ensure it is weed-free and fully composted. It is then recycled and repackaged into this organic compost, which then ends up back here in the garden. Since operations began, Living Earth has recycled well over 1 million tonnes of organic waste. 30% of what Waste Management New Zealand collects is recycled and reused quickly. As well as green and food waste, Waste Management also recycles other materials. For example, recycled wood becomes wood chips for use on urban playgrounds and motorway verges. We're also specialists in recycling a range of other items, such as plastic milk bottles, which can be used in the manufacture of wheelie bins and much more. Everything we do is focused on providing service to our customers and supporting sustainable practices for the good of the environment here in New Zealand and of course all the people who live here in New Zealand. We are always looking for new and better solutions that are best going to meet the needs of New Zealand and New Zealanders, especially those with green fingers.